Good morning mga mommies! Naku, nagulat po ba kayo na ako ang nasa kusina today? Well, ang news po ay ako rin nagulat. Kasi usually po talaga si Cheska yung nandito. But do you know that just like Cheska, I'm also not very good in the kitchen. So, we're always excited to learn new recipes, to learn new things. So today, actually, I'm going to learn something that will be very useful for Philip as well as my husband, lalo na that I'm enduring the station. I don't have any help at home. So with me today, I have to invite someone. Kasi alam niyo naman, kung ako lang, baka malason ko pa po kayo. Pero because I have somebody with me today, for sure, sasarap yung lulutuin natin. Chef Edward Bugia. Hi,
Hello,
Chef!
hi, Rika. Hi.
Good morning and thank you for being with us here on Mommy Manual.
Thank you for inviting me.
Hindi ko napapatagalin pa. Can you tell us a little bit, something about what we're gonna prepare for today?
Yung first recipe natin
First, sige.
is strawberry Oreo milkshake.
Wow,
Yeah. So, super simple siya, kid-friendly.
Nako, I'm excited to do this. Let's start, Chef.
Okay, game.
To make strawberry milkshake, you'll need 1/2 pound fresh strawberries, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3/4 to 1 cup Jolly Cow fresh milk, 1 pint strawberry ice cream, crushed Oreos.
Yung first kong gagawin is I'm going to take out the hulls of the strawberry, yung
Okay.
green part. So, super simple lang. Di ba? With your knife.
Kaya ko naman yan.
Mas madaling papagawa ko sa'yo, mas fun.
Sige, ano yun?
Yung gagawin mo is you're going to crush the Oreos.
Okay, how do I do
So,
that?
you put the Oreos in a Ziploc bag. It's up to you how much Oreos you want to put. Just zip it. And then, you can get your rolling pin.
Okay, I kinda know
Ayan.
na. Tama ba?
Yeah,
Oh,
you can do it any way you want.
Actually,
Yan,
para
diba?
mas madali yung pukpok.
Mas fun, diba? Okay, so you have your Oreos, you have your strawberry. So we're going to use
Okay.
strawberry ice cream.
Alright.
Ayan, lalagyan na natin yung ating ice cream. Make sure it's really cold kasi you want your milkshakes to be pretty thick.
And now we're putting actually our Jolly Cow fresh milk.
Fresh milk,
And you
yes.
know, Chef, that Jolly Cow fresh milk pala come from happy cows in Europe. Talagang jolly sila. It makes it creamier, more delicious kasi nga happy sila. And aside from that, strict ang processing standards ng Europe, but they've
That's
passed
true.
it as well.
Well, that makes sense. So, you know, happy cow, so happy milk, diba?
Yes, diba?
So we're gonna put some vanilla extract. A little bit of sugar, just because diba, milk is very neutral. It's not that sweet. Just gonna put maybe a teaspoon
I
lang.
was gonna ask nga, kung
Yeah.
ayaw mo ng sugar, is there any
It's
alternative?
fine. Honey is good, yeah.
Okay.
So there, and then you can put in the Oreos. And then
I
just put
already
in your
like it.
strawberries. It will also help thicken your milkshake, no?
Sarap!
Yan.
Okay, we're done with our strawberry milkshake. The next one, which is a chocolate milkshake, this is much simpler. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go and do this.
Okay.
To make chocolate milkshake, you'll need 2 cups Jolly Cow chocolate milk, 2 cups vanilla ice cream, a pinch of salt, 3/4 teaspoon vanilla extract.
Sobrang simple lang nito.
What are we gonna put in first?
Kukunin mo na yung first ingredient, vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream. And this
Yes.
time kasi, Chef, we're gonna use the chocolate milk of Jolly Cow fresh milk. Actually uses 100% pure cow's milk. Tapos may real cocoa pa siya for the chocolate milk.
Tama.
And they made an effort to lessen the sugar.
Ah,
Kasi I
okay.
think that's a concern for moms nowadays. So I like the effort of lessening the sugar.
So it's more kid-friendly.
Correct.
Ayan, Rika, please pour in the chocolate milk. The
Okay.
Jolly chocolate milk.
ito by itself, pwede na
Yeah.
rin eh. Okay,
Ayan,
okay.
so this is vanilla. Ayan, vanilla.
And then this
And
is-
then salt. This is our secret ingredient.
Wow,
Salt.
salt.
Every time we make chocolate desserts, maganda pag naglalagay ka ng salt. Sobrang magic siya, as in magic ingredient. Just a pinch of salt.
Pang-highlight daw po ng sweetness
Mas
or
lumalabas
ng
yung tamis
taste.
niya. Sige. Okay. And then there you go.
Okay, here's the part that I've been waiting for. Let's try it!
Yan. Lapit ko na rin sa'yo yung chocolate. There you go.
It's really good, ah.
Talaga? That's
Like,
nice
it's very,
texture,
very
no?
creamy. Yes, creamy-licious. Chocolate one is really good also,
Yes.
Chef, gustong-gusto ko siya pareho. Thank you so much for sharing, this quick recipe to, make our families very happy.
Yeah, Rico, that's my pleasure. Thank you. Thank you for having me
Thank
today.
you. And there you have your strawberry and chocolate milkshakes.